Hi guys, this is Pray Love. So people, I was just there eating my croissant while doing pretty much nothing, and then I got that box. It's because I have made a swap, a fragrance swap. So I gave away my zoologist bat, which my wife really disliked, and kind of blind swapped a completely different fragrance, and I'm gonna show you what it is. So I've got a cutter here and the box. Let's crack it open. And I've never smelled that fragrance. I know what it is, and I've made some research, but still opening the box. So, here it is, Atelier Oblique Bohemian Woods. It's made in France, but I think it's a German company. Yeah, they're in Berlin. And with it came this sample called Exceptional Because You Are for Men. So I don't know, like this one, I don't know. But it's gonna make a nice sample to check out. Then, pretty neat box, to be honest. I think I'm gonna keep the box. Wow. Looks like a fine whiskey over there. 50 ml of this little Bohemian Woods. And there's a little card inside. It says, oh, it's the story of the brand. So they're based in Berlin, found by the acclaimed designer Mario Lombardo. They make scented things, luxury lifestyle objects. So they're pretty much saying that it's a high-class brand with French high-class sensibilities, but also the German simplicity and neatness, and into creating the best luxury items there is. And the bottle is actually very pleasing. And what about the cap? Oh my god, this cap is nice. Okay, so that's good. Really, really good. Everything feels like you just bought like a scotch, but a little amount, but still. Okay, so I'm not gonna test it out on myself. I'm gonna wait until tonight, and I don't know, maybe the fragrance is horrible. I've never smelled it, so I'm gonna take this piece of paper that was in the mail and that we don't want to test it. So, the sprayer is quite special. Wow. This is high class. Oh my god. It smells like also, Scotch whiskeys. It smells like a very fancy, like a very good Scotch, but that goes down so well. Those ones that they don't destroy you, they just pass through and give you a better spirit. Oh, this is nice. The iris in there, skin like, a bit like you would. It gives off a very, skin like sensual vibe. I'm liking that smell. Oh my god, woodsy. It's called Bohemian Woods. So you're like, is it woodsy? Yes, it is Bohemian Woods, but it's woodsy, but so good. Mm. And I've read that there's an absinthe note. It's not overbearing, but it gives off that, very alcoholic, strong vibe that you will. I mostly associate it with the kind of Scotch vibe, but there's also this tinge of anise. So, and it's smoky, just like a good whiskey. So, I'm a whiskey fan. I'm a Scotch fan, like all over. So, this will get some wearings during this, like the fall and winter. Oh man, smoky, but oh my god, this is high class. This, like, I'm gonna smell like $1,000. Like, I'm gonna walk in a room and people are gonna do business offers or something. Like, people are gonna come to me and start speaking about their interpretation of the Divine Comedy and I don't know. But really, this is amazing. Oh wow. Mm. I just can't stop sniffing. It's so good. And it's not like completely like it's not completely like super artsy. It's kind of unique. It's got its own vibe, and there's things I have in my mind that would get you somewhere near, perhaps. Like, I don't know, maybe Maison Margiela Jazz Club in a less classy way, a lot less classy way. Um, Maybe like some, I don't know, but it's kind of doing its own thing. Like, it's totally doing its own thing, but it's kind of still pretty like sexy, mass appealing, I think. It's just that it's very elegant. It has an aura, it has like you need to be a bit, charismatic, confident to wear that, I think. But it's so sexy. I'm like, mm. And you see in the opening, it's a bit harsher, but it's normal. It's the opening, and it's right now. It's even started to mellow down, and it's just wow. It's I've got like an evening out with my family later on today, and I think I'm gonna wear that. Right now, I have like a fragrance on, but I know it's gonna disappear until then, so no trouble with that, and I could take a shower. But I'm definitely gonna give this one a try today, see what people are thinking about it, and check out with the wife if she likes it. I'm pretty sure that she's gonna like it, and at least she's gonna like it better than the zoologist bat. But this one, oh, this one is good. It's really amazing. So I'm pretty sure that this one is not something you want to overspray. Although I could be wrong. I think I'm gonna try it like today. Maybe 2 sprays, maybe 3 if I'm bold enough. Depends on what I wear, I guess. But this one is cool, and the box is super amazing. There's even the box cover, and the box is so beautiful, and no, it's a really great packaging, great scent. Man, this brand is awesome, and and I don't know that one, so this one is really fresh, fresh and sweet. Exceptional because you are for men. I don't know that thing. I'm gonna check that out later on too, but for now I'm just like so intoxicated by this. Kind of like an oud wood, but without the oud. Or yeah, I don't know. It's just doing something else. It's pretty boozy, very woodsy. Has some smoke, but it's not tobacco. It's supposed to be incense, but I don't. I'm not an incense fan in general, and I don't smell really incense per se. Perhaps more, yeah, burned candles or yeah, smoky incense, but not the type that you would see, that not the church incense. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. So at first diff, I love it. It's great. Uh, super nice swap. I really loving it. So thanks for the swap, and also spread love and spray love. Bye bye.